Welcome to Chennai.
He's like
Can we have one more?
ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್
He's like a lion. Elephant, lion, something like that. It's big.
ಯು ನೋ ದ ಸಲಗಾಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಮಗನೇ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಲಗ ಒಂಟಿ ಸಲಗ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ elephant like
Single elephant is
like
very
this.
dangerous,
Yes.
man. Like that.
Yes.
Yeah. So fierce, no?
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
So I thought like it's only on screen. Like he said, when you just walked up, it was like, okay, I'll take a step back and I'll just admire him. So nice. This personality is so strong, and we've always been awed by like how you act, how you present yourself, how you are as a person. Like, we adore you.
Thank you.
Welcome to Chennai.
Thank
How do
you
you
so
feel
much.
being here? And please tell us about KD the Devil.
I love being in Chennai. I've done film with Lokesh